So for this exercise, we are going to go over how to perform a supported bridge position with the use of a couple of pillows and also a couple of yoga blocks. If you don't have yoga blocks at home, you can certainly use pillows to substitute the yoga blocks. This position can be really helpful in allowing the pelvic floor to relax. It's a great position to work on those 360-degree breathing strategies, and also for any sort of pelvic heaviness symptoms as well. Elevating the hips up with the use of a few pillows can be really helpful to create this anti-gravity type of position. So I'm going to lie on my back. And again, you can, depending on the mobility of your hips as well, you might need to adjust whether or not the blocks are flat like this or if they're elevated a bit more into that higher position. And you can, again, adjust that as appropriate. I'm going to lie back, and I have those pillows right at my low back, sacral area, and underneath my butt. Again, you want to make sure that if you're using pillows or a yoga block, that you're not using them too high at the back where it creates an arch. You want to be able to have them low enough where it feels like your butt is supported and the sacral area. I'm going to place my hands on my rib cage and take some deep breaths here, really focusing in on some movement of the chest and belly and a lot of movement out into my hand from the rib cage. You can give yourself a little bit of overpressure at the rib cage. In order to feel the ribs press back out into the hand. You can hang out here several minutes. You could also count your breaths. We want to make sure that, again, our rib cage is expanding, our